Hello everyone, welcome back. It's your voice to the wise. You know what it is? Yes. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about a very special and important thing that we have to know as a content creator, especially in YouTube, especially all that are YouTubers and create content. But if you are not YouTubers, you can still use this and it's going to still work for you. Yeah. I'm a YouTube content creator, so that's why I said especially YouTubers here. So what I'll be talking today, it's all about generating our content. To generate content, you have to get your title, get your description, your hashtag, your keywords, and stuff like that. Even your thumbnail, yes, that is part of your content. Without that, even the video you film won't perform as you want them to perform. So I know that getting all these things, especially getting the right ones that will make your video go viral, are very difficult to get, and it take you times to search out good keywords, and also you need to take time to drag out your description to make your description fit well so that the algorithm can help your video. These are things that you have to combine together to make your video go viral. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you everything you have to know, how you can generate it very easy. And most of my video, I don't really have time to sit down and start generating hashtag and keywords. I have a very special app. In fact, I have two apps that do those things for me, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So why don't you sit and relax as we begin the training. So my name is Mesro Wise. For those of you that don't know me, if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. I appreciate. Thanks for watching my video. And if you are a returning viewer, I give you salute. You are welcome. I really appreciate you for coming back. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please support my video. If you like my video, support by subscribing. That is what you can do for me. I really appreciate that. I will really be grateful if you can do that for me. So without more further ado, let's get into the video.
So the first app that will be needed for this, that we'll be using for this, is the app I called U2. Yeah, U2. This is the app right here. Is it here? For those of you that don't know, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store to download it. It's just called U2. So this is the first app we'll be using. Then after we are done with this app, I'll be taking you to the second app which I use to generate all these things. So let's click on it and wait for it to open. Once it opens, you see this app have different interface, yeah, which I'll be discussing in some of my other video, because for this video I won't be actually be having time to discuss everything here. And no one thing you should know is that this app run on ads here, so you'll be encountering different apps, but the other one which I'll be teaching you don't use ads, so stay tuned so you know that one. So this one that you use ads is pretty much good, okay, because sometimes that one won't work, this one will work for you. That's why I'm showing you the two so that you can choose which one is good for you. So to generate your content ideas, just click on this AI over here, this AI content generator. You can see it. Then now what you do here is look for this thing, and that is the title of the video you want to create. Yes, for example, let me see, the title for my video is how to generate clickable title. Yes, let me say, for example, how to generate clickable title. That's what I want to make a video about. Let me just click on it. Let me just type in it, how to generate clickable titles. Yes, now on search. As I told you earlier, this app runs on app. You can just wait and it over here and just click on it to skip it. Skip it. Yeah. Now, as you can see, it's trying to generate it. Let's just give it some time to generate. You can see yes. I can see the first one, it have generated title for us. Yeah, that is the first one. As you can see, he have generated a more better title for it, which is create clickable title that gets noticed. Yeah, this is more better. You can see it. Yes, you can click on generate more tags. That's it's very amazing. Can title, generate title for us. I can see it generates description for us. Yeah, you can see description. You want to know the secret to getting more views on YouTube, blah 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 blah. I can see it generated description for us, and also it generated keywords for us. Yeah, generated keywords, so you can see clickable title, YouTube titles, stuff like that. All these keywords can use this when you upload your YouTube videos, and it's going to bring, like, once you use all these keywords, it's going to rank. I'm showing you for it because I've used it and it's ranked for most of my videos. Now look at a video script. In case you don't write script, you can just put it and it write script for you. You can see it, you can see it. Then just it. This is voiceover. Yes, my network is so hard, that's why this voiceover is not working on my own. This is voiceover. In case you are doing faceless channel, you can just use the voiceover. There's for you to just bring different image, different pictures to just make up the video, and you can use this voiceover for it, and it's going to work. These are thumbnails. I can't actually use it because my network is so hard. Yeah, this is for this app, and I bet you once you use all these things, it's going to work for you. Like, man, it's going to work for you. So for the second app we'll be using, the name of the second app is called vidIQ. Yeah, this is it right here, vidIQ. Yeah, I know most of you, especially YouTube content creators, know what vidIQ is. Yeah, vidIQ, and most of you might not know that it's also used to generate content. Well, most of you know, but for those of you that don't know, let's get on it. Just click on it, and if you don't have it, you can go and download it from your Play Store or App Store, and you can find it there and download. Once you get into the vidIQ app, the next thing you have to do, just come to this side. You move this side that says more here at the bottom right corner. Yeah, just click on the more. Then click on, come to over to this page that shows generate. Click on generate. Then this page will be brought to you. Then you just wait to see. Just click here and put on the name of the video, the type of the video you want to create. Let me say how to make money online. Let's say that is the video I want to make. Then click on it. Then just wait for it to load. I can see it's loading. Yeah, you can see it's generate this one. See, make money online fast in 24. I can see you have generated the title. Yes, you have generated the title. And one thing that is good about this one, it will give you the score of the title. Yeah, it will give you the score, so you know, yeah, the score of it, if it's good for you or it's not good. If it's not good for you, you can just change it. Yeah, until they give you a better score. Yeah, you can see this thumbnail, but for me, I don't use this thumbnail. I design my thumbnail myself, and very soon I'll be doing another video on how you can design thumbnail. Yeah, it's very simple on that, to design thumbnail. This one hook. Yes, like this is also like script. Yeah, you can see it. This is script. This is script. And look at tags. All this one will give you their ranking. Yes, the score for the tags, and also description. You can see it. This is just the two app, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, this is just the two app, and this is the app that I'll be using, and these are the app that I'll be using for my content creation. Yeah, these are the app that I'll be using. If you enjoyed this video, please support me by subscribing to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. I will appreciate that, and I'll be grateful for that. I think this is the end of this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks.